Hi friends, welcome to another fresh episode of Cricket Ideas. Today we will discuss about the probable starting lineup of Kolkata Knight Riders. We have made the starting lineup based on the pitches that UAE usually provide. The people who are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell icon to get all the videos. So without any further delay, let's start the video. We have made a probable starting that might change due to injuries and pitch condition. The position might also change due to ongoing situation in the field. So first we talk about the opener, Sunil Narine and Shubman Gill. The makeshift opener Sunil Narine has proved to be a game changer with the bat for KKR. The left-hander has an impressive strike rate of 179.21 while opening in the IPL. Narine batting at the top helps in adding depth to the batting lineup. Also, Narine over of spin proved to be quite dependable over the years. Then, Shubman Gill, one of the brightest potential in the Indian batting circuit. Shubman Gill will be raring to go this season with from behind his name. He has so far played 27 IPL matches in which he has scored 499 runs at a strike rate of 133. Now we have listed Nitish Rana at number 3. Having shown what he is capable of, Nitish Rana needs to be more consistent with the bat this season. He is a fine player of spin and for certain will be a regular player for KKR in UAE. In his IPL career, Rana has 1085 runs at an average of 30 and strike rate of 135. At number 4, we expect Dinesh Karthik. Skipper Dinesh Karthik is one of the best strikers in India today. In his IPL career, DK has 3654 runs at a strike rate of 130, which makes him a threat to any opposition. With back against the wall, we all know that how the Tamil Nadu veteran respond when the chips are down. We prefer Eoin Morgan at number 5. The World Cup winning captain of Eoin Morgan is currently at his peak of his power. Morgan in 52 IPL matches had 852 runs in his name at a strike rate of 121. His experience will be crucial for KKR middle order, and Morgan will be the KKR mainstay in the middle order. Though we listed Andre Russell at number 6, he can bat in any position depending on the on-field situation. He is the X-factor who can single-handedly win matches and he is a match winner in all departments which make him a rare commodity. He scored 510 runs at a strike rate of 204.81 while also picking up 11 wickets. So he is undoubtedly KKR most valuable player. Now we have reached in the toughest position. The team should select Shivam Mabi or Siddesh Lath according to their need. For batting depth, they should select Siddesh Lath and for bowling depth, they should select Shivam Mabi. Shivam Mabi, the 21-year-old boy, is known to bowl at around 150 km per hour that will be trouble any batsman in the world. Now, we are in the bottom order. We select Pat Cummins at number 8. The most expensive overseas player and the second most expensive player in IPL history. Cummins might prove to be a game changer with the ball. Cummins will have the responsibility of bowling with the new ball as well as the death overs. He can also be a handy lower order batsman with the ability to contribute some quick run. Now we have selected Kuldeep Yadav, Prasiddha Krishna and Kamlesh Nagarkati at number 9, 10 and 11 respectively. KKR can also select extra spinner if situation demand. First we talk about Kuldeep Yadav. He has been one of the KKR key spinner for the last few seasons. The leg spinner will provide variety to the bowling attack of KKR and be a wicket taker to the middle over. In 14 IPL matches, Kuldeep has gotten 39 wickets at an economy rate of 8.33. Then Prasiddha Krishna emerged into the scene in 2018 and impressed everyone with his pace and accuracy. In the 7 games he played, Krishna picks 10 wickets at a strike rate of 16.80. KKR would like to use him at a death to partner Cummins. Then Kamlesh Nagarkati. Kamlesh Nagarkati is one of the stars from the Under-19 Cricket World Cup in 2018. The Karnataka simmer attracted a lot of attention after the tournament. He can bowl above 140 km per hour and it will be fascinating to see him in action this year. KKR can also select extra spinner if situation demanded. So this is our predicted lineup for KKR in this coming IPL 2020. If you like our video, make sure to comment your reaction. This is it for now. See you later. Bye bye.